Well, the Cockney rebel Steve has now left the building, unfortunately. Steve, if you're watching this, it was a pleasure to meet you. Can't wait to see you again one day, maybe out on the road. But anyway, now that Steve's gone, he's left this nice big empty space, and the good thing about this space is it's right by the door, which gives us, if I turn round, you'll see lots of ambient light from outside the door. So me and Becky have decided we're going to move up this end of the workshop purely so we're by the door, which gives us much better light, hopefully makes our videos a little bit better for your viewing pleasure. So now that Steve has gone, that means one thing: there's more room here at the barn, room for you if you're looking for somewhere to build a camper van undercover among like-minded people like me and Adrian and the rest of the crew that are here. Then I'll leave all the details in the description of this video where you can get in touch, and we'll give you all the details and all the information you need to know about renting a space here at the barn. So please don't be shy, do get in touch. Maybe we'll see you very soon. Right, now with all that said and done, I need to move all my stuff from down in the darkest depths of the workshop up here into the bright light. And once we've done moving all of our stuff, I'm going to give you a little walk around the barn, give you a little bit of a barn tour if you like. Right, let's find Rebecca, she can help me move my stuff. Or our stuff, I should say. Oh, thanks.
On the thing. This is definitely
this has got to be over a tonne, this thing. It must weigh minimum a tonne. And it's so easy to move. Put our bench in place, just put some lights up. There we go. Now we're in business.
Starting to take shape.
Yes. Actually, it should be more this way.
Okay, well we can do that.
It's too far that way. You all right with that?
No, all right, thanks.
Gotta chop it more off.
No, I'm just going to modify the swivel seat for this one.
Oh, right. The devil's in the detail. There we are, we are back and ready for action. Right, now let's show you around the barn. And let's start with taking a little look outside. So outside the barn we've got Adrian's van parked here. We've got Adrian's van parked down there. Mine and Rebecca's van is parked way down there, and that's where we spend most nights, right down there, out of the way, in a nice and quiet area. A quick look at our view. This is the view we see every morning. Absolutely beautiful. Right. Oh, Adrian's still working on his seat.
Just grabbing some bits.
I'm just doing giving everyone a tour of the barn.
Oh, well done, Mel.
Yeah, I thought it'd be a good idea to show everyone around.
Absolutely.
Our wonderful workplace.
Fantastic.
And because I've been outside, my glasses have now gone dark and I can't see bugger all. But that's okay, as long as the camera can still pick this up. And this is the kitchen, the dining area. As you can see, we have a fully fitted kitchen. It's all nicely laid out. It's just after lunchtime, so it is looking a little bit messy because everyone's just come in here, had their lunch and then buggered off and left the place in a mess. But just like any domestic kitchen, we've got a fridge, freezer, we've got a cooker, a dryer, a dishwasher, even got a washing machine. And obviously, don't forget the sink and toaster. And my air fryer is around here somewhere. Okay, so everyone that comes to the barn gets a bay. They get to use a bay, and the bay consists of 3 of these sections. This is Lorian's bay here. You can see she's gone out shopping, by the way. So whilst everyone's off shopping, I thought I'd take this opportunity. It's nice and quiet in here, all but one person. There's always one. See, right, there's a big empty bay here waiting for you. So if you're interested in coming to the barn, then this could all be your space right here. But for more information about that, just drop me an email down below and I'll let you know all the nitty-gritty details. So you can see we've got another van here, we've got vans here, Kevin's van, this is young Jim's van. Don't know where Jim is, I think he's gone off shopping. Oh no, he's having a break.
Hey, I'm ordering parts, man.
Oh, you're ordering parts, you're busy.
Admin.
Admin, right, okay, so Jim's busy doing some admin. And once again, this is his work area. We won't take too close a look because he's a messy bugger.
Hey.
No, he has been busy. Out of everyone here, Jim is probably the hardest working. Definitely. No, definitely puts in more hours than anyone else.
Thanks, man.
No worries. And you can tell by the what's the word? Misorganisation. Is it organised? It's an organised mess.
It's the perfectly organised area.
Yeah, because he's busy. He's a busy boy. As you can tell.
Trying. That's all you can do, eh?
That's it. Right, so that's Jim. Now, out the back here, this is where we take care of ourselves. After all, we're not all just dirty van dwellers. In here we have the shower. Although the light has gone, the battery's gone in our little light. We'll have to get a new battery for that later. And Rebecca's been busy decorating the toilet. A nice newly decorated toilet in here. And somebody's taken Bog Roll Barbie. Where's Bog Roll Barbie gone? Oh, there she is. So there's Bog Roll Barbie. She keeps trying to leg it. We should put her up there. She's gone on a adventure. Kevin went to enormous expense to buy that decorative piece, and everyone's abusing it. So this is Kevin, aka Keith.
Good evening.
I do like the way you're laying all this out.
Yeah, it looks good on in principle.
And for all of those of you that are wondering why I do so many bike review videos, it's because young Kevin here likes to use the handles from the bike boxes for his electrical layout. And you can use these as grommets to pass your cables through. There you go, repurposed. And all thanks to Hemingway, So Russia, and a few others.
Yeah, it's one way of doing it.
Yeah, it is really nice. It's going to look amazing. I can't wait to see how that turns out.
I don't know. Yeah, see if it works as well. Bonus.
And again, Kevin has got 3 of these bays all to himself, and this is his amazing workspace, all laid out so he knows where everything is.
Ask Kevin how long he's been here now.
How long have you been here, Kevin?
Oh, a couple of months now, I think.
Couple of months?
Oh.
5 minutes, I thought.
5 minutes, yeah, he's only been here 5 minutes.
Yeah.
In his mind. So there you are, that's the barn. The camper van self-build workshop. Oh, one other thing, we do have a freebies corner over here. So anyone that comes here, they have stuff left over before they leave their stuff that's left over. Some people like to just call it a pile of junk, but we like to call it a little corner of golden goodies.
Very true.
How you getting on?
Very good. Just modifying this heat base because the holes won't line up with this seat.
Because it's a Ford one.
Because it's a Ford one. So I'm welding some brackets onto it so it's secure and put it back into the van.
Cool.
It's only a 5-minute job.
Will it take 5 minutes?
Yeah, 5 minutes.
Yeah, we have to make you a t-shirt. Maybe we'll paint it.
Yeah, yeah.
Only take
Yeah, that'd
5
be good.
minutes.
Yeah, 5 minutes. 5 minute aid.
5 minute aid. And there we go, this is my former workspace here. So all this is going to be emptied, making room for another bay for you guys to come and enjoy, if you so choose to. Are you back?
I think I'm back.
That was quick. And this is Lorian, everyone.
Hello everyone.
Lorian has been using the bay here. She's been here for a couple of weeks, made amazing progress. More progress than most, I've got to say. She's done really well, considering it's her first van build.
Yeah,
Yeah.
never done anything like it before.
What advice would you give to anyone considering building out a camper van?
There's 2 bits of advice. The first one is measure, measure, measure again. And the other one is watch Mel's channel, because that's where I get most of the help from.
Correct answer. Well done. And I didn't have to coax her either.
It's all true actually, and I have got a lot of advice from your channel.
Thank you, I'm glad. After all, that's what it's all about. We're here to help everyone. So there you are. I've now moved. I've got a new workstation. Becky's got a bit of a space here as well, so she's happy. So if you enjoyed watching this video, then please do give it a thumbs up. Don't forget, if you're new to the channel, why not consider subscribing? And once again, if you're interested in renting a space here at the barn, please do get in touch. I'll leave all the details down below. Thanks for watching. Ta-ra for now.